Hey there, let's dive into how to qualify for HEAP. Stick around till the end of the video to learn all you need to know. First off, who qualifies for HEAP? The Home Energy Assistance Program is designed to aid low-income families in heating and cooling their homes. You're eligible if you heat your house with electricity, gas, oil, propane, coal, kerosene, wood, or corn. Here are the eligibility criteria. Citizenship: you and your household members must be U.S. citizens or qualified non-citizens. Social Security numbers: you must have valid Social Security numbers for yourself and your household members. Benefits: your household should receive SNAP benefits, supplemental security income, or temporary assistance. Income: alternatively, your household income should be below your state's income guidelines. Owning a home, paying for heat as part of rent, or having money in your bank doesn't disqualify you from HEAP. Now, how do you apply for HEAP? You can apply online, in writing, or in person to your HEAP district contact. During the application process, make sure to have your proof of residency, proof of identity, and proof of income ready. Fill out and submit the application form, then wait for a response within 30 business days. And there you have it. That's how you qualify for HEAP. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.